Mate, crack an egg on my forehead and fry it up. Tell me this looks good. Tell me it looks good. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Please raise your hand if you've been personally victimized by Lumin's targeted ads. I put out an IG poll yesterday before filming this video and a lot of you know who Lumin are. Lumin is a men's skincare brand and I think we can all agree that the ads are so cringeworthy.
I don't understand why guys are so scared of skincare routines. I don't care. I want to look good. Oh wow, this is a weird feeling.
You're glowing.
I'm glowing?
Yeah.
Wow. The ads are obviously targeting straight men who don't really know much about skincare, but the thing I don't agree with is the fact that they're stereotyping straight men, and I just don't agree with stereotyping in advertising at all, so... But hey, it works. If you guys have been flooded with these ads like me and you're curious to see if the effective, simple and affordable men's skincare that Lumin offers actually works, then make sure you stay tuned and we're going to crack this bad boy open. So if I'm totally honest, I don't have the best first impression of this brand just because of the advertising. So by the way, I ordered the classic maintenance set and I did the free trial for this. I think I paid just under £8 for taxes and postage. So the idea of the free trial is that you sign up, you try the products, and if you don't cancel it, then that subscription is renewed and you are charged the full amount for the classic maintenance set, which is $48. And guys, let me know how you feel about this in the comments, but I don't think $48 is affordable for 3 products. And then what I thought was even more confusing when researching into the set is the set is $48. However, when you purchase the 3 products individually, it comes to a total of $48.80. So you're only saving yourself 80 cents by bundling the products together. 80 cents. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to come in a little pouch, but it was quite a nice touch. I think the design of the packaging is quite nice for a men's brand. It's very clean, it's very simple, it's just black and white, there's no flashiness to it. The full size of the charcoal cleanser retails for $12.80 and you get 50 ml of product. So in here is 20 ml. To me it smells very similar to the charcoal face wash from L'Oreal that I previously used. So I'm just wetting my face. And just so you all know, I have combination skin. My cheeks are quite dry and then my T-zone is oily as fuck. The charcoal cleanser on the Lumin website, sorry I'm just looking at my notes, is described to safely and effectively remove gunky oil, daily grime, pollution and dirt buildup so your skin will stay clean as fresh kicks right out of the box. So obviously the key ingredients here are charcoal and it's meant to suck all of the dirt and impurities out of your pores. You've also got rose flower oil, which is an antiseptic, so it's meant to help with breakouts. And then finally Centilla Asiatica, which is meant to repair skin and improve aging. Straight off the bat, which I find strange, is that it's drying really quickly and I'm just following what the guy did on the website. He got a flannel and he wet down his face and then, you know, he was rubbing his in. I don't know, maybe it's where I'm talking whilst I'm doing this, but it's just basically dried. So I'm gonna go and wash this off. So as I washed that off my face, it did start to lather up. So I think if you were over the basin washing your face, it would be a more enjoyable experience. I mentioned in my Skincare 101 cleansing video, which I'll leave linked in the description box, that I used to use the L'Oreal Paris Charcoal Face Wash and it used to really strip my skin. Like my nose here feels a bit sore and my face feels really dry, and when I was washing it I was getting that like squeaky sound. I know not every guy's going to pay attention to the ingredients and products, but this is important and I want to be in depth. Looking at the ingredients list, this is packed with essential oils, which if you have sensitive skin, it's going to really irritate your skin, especially lemon peel oil. Citrus essential oils are really irritating to the skin. Thank you, Hiram, for teaching me that in your video, but avoid this if you have sensitive skin. I also think if you've dry and slightly combination skin, avoid this because it is really harsh. Another thing to note is that this product is claiming to contain rosemary extract, green tea extract, ginger root extract, and also licorice root extract. And looking at the ingredients list, they're right at the bottom, which means it has the lowest percentage of these extracts. So don't be sold down shit creek, you know? Next up is the exfoliating scrub. I actually exfoliated last night, so by the magic of editing, we're gonna fast forward a few days and get into this. God, this isn't flattering, is it? So it's Saturday morning, it's 2 days later, we're in the bathroom this time, and we're gonna try out the Lumin Exfoliating Scrub. I'm not looking forward to this. Personally, I use a chemical exfoliant, which is my toner. It contains it contains AHA acids, which help to exfoliate my skin. I don't really like scrubs. I'm not 100% sure this Lumin scrub is gonna be like texture-wise. So I'm just gonna read you the notes I made before I start scrubbing my skin off. So this product is $12.80, and it says that by regularly removing dead skin cells, I can't talk this morning, it's the wine last night. This contains charcoal, again it sucks dirt and impurities out of your pores. It contains rosemary leaf extract, gently yet effectively removes impurities from the skin, and green tea extract, which reduces skin inflammation and soothes skin due to the presence of poly something. Yeah, cool. Looking at the ingredients, unlike the cleanser, the extracts in this are more in the middle of the ingredients list, so it contains more. This does contain alcohol and perfume, so if you're sensitive skin, it might not be the best for you. I can't see now. I hope I'm still in the frame. Okay, to be fair, it is a very gentle scrub. I might take a bit more. So this is quite gross. And it's quite messy. It's on my hands. It is all over the sink, which is really annoying. But let's wash this off and we'll review. I'll admit, after trying the cleanser, I was really skeptical to try the exfoliator, but I'm really surprised that I enjoyed it. My skin feels soft, it's not irritated. My skin doesn't feel stripped of any natural oils. I do need to note that I did not wash my face before using the exfoliator. I rinsed my face with water and patted it dry before going in with the exfoliator. The texture of this is actually incredibly soft. It is comparable to like a sugar scrub. It's not a harsh exfoliator, so I'm really surprised I enjoyed this. Do I think this will work for all skin types? Maybe. I think if you have oily combo or dry skin, it's going to work really nicely for you as it is gentle. I think if you sensitive skin, it could work for you, but if you're really sensitive to fragrance, I wouldn't go near it personally. It does smell quite aniseedy. Anyway, let's rewind 2 days and get into the Moisturizing Balm. Finally, in the classic maintenance set, we have the Moisturizing Balm, and this retails for $23.20. Again, I don't really think that's an affordable price point. This balm is advertised to tailor to your unique skin type, and honestly, I'm not really buying it. I don't think there's such thing as moisturizers for all skin types. You know, if you have extremely oily skin, you're not going to pick up a moisturizer in the store that says it's for dry skin. The scent of this is quite strong. Like, it's quite a stringy texture, but we'll see, won't we? So on the Lumin website, it says that this moisturizer is the foundation to any man's skincare routine. It says it's meant to help with dehydration, control oil, with sun damage, with a weak skin barrier. So it's claiming to basically do the whole shebang. Don't forget the neck. It says it also contains meadowfoam seed oil, which is meant to help protect the skin's barrier. Apple extract, which is meant to have a high concentrate of vitamin C, which helps with signs of aging. And then also ginger extract, which is meant to even out skin tone. Again, going in depth with the ingredients, the meadowfoam seed oil is the third ingredient. Shea butter is at the top. It's got niacinamide, which does help control oil. The extracts that this claims to have, including ginger root, apple, green tea, they're higher up in the list than the cleanser. But this does contain alcohol, and the last ingredient is parfum. So it is scented, and I can still smell it even though I've rubbed it into my skin. So I'm not really sure if you have sensitive skin, you would want to use this. Fragrances irritate the hell out of sensitive skin. So looking at my skin in the mirror and looking at my forehead in the viewfinder, it is shining bright. I can feel the product sat on top of my skin, which compared to the £6 moisturizer that I use on a daily basis, I'm not really loving the finish of this. Let me zoom you in actually, so you can see this close up. So close up, you can see that there is a lot of shine on the forehead, across this area here where a lot of people get oily. I feel like there's just a lot of shine all over my face, which I don't want for my skin type. So I'm working at home for the rest of the day, so what I'm going to do is check back in at the end of the day, and we're going to see if this really controls oil, if it tailors to a combination skin type. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. I'm back at the end of my working day, and in my life I've never used a product that has made me look this greasy. I took some footage of myself out in the garden eating my lunch, and look at the shine in the sunlight. You could fry an egg on my forehead. What I found about this moisturiser is that after I put it on, it remained tacky for quite some time, and the scent was really strong. I could smell it for about an hour. I was shiny in my T-zone, especially even when I applied it, and throughout the day it's just got worse and worse and worse. No, this is not a product that tailors itself to your unique skin type. It's done absolutely nothing to control my oils, and the fact this is considered affordable at $23.20, absolutely not. Do you want to look like this at the end of your day? I find it so funny that all the adverts are based off the idea of attraction, having a partner, having a girlfriend, the girlfriend saying how great your skin looks.
You're glowing.
I'm glowing?
Yeah.
Tell me this looks good. Tell me. It looks good. If I came home to my boyfriend, lol, looking like this, and he told me I look good, liar, liar. Mate, crack an egg on my forehead and fry it up. So it's Sunday morning, I've had a few days to collect my thoughts on this, and I don't think these are affordable products when you compare the price point of the Lumin products against products from The Ordinary or the Inky List or Good Molecules. It just doesn't really weigh up. I think almost $50 for 3 products is not affordable. I do agree that the Lumin skincare is simple and it's very easy to follow, but I think Lumin would have been better off creating skincare routines that are actually tailored to a specific skin type. But I found the charcoal cleanser extremely harsh, really drying, and guys, personally I would avoid the cleanser. The exfoliating rub really surprised me. I thought it was going to be a really harsh texture, but it was actually incredibly soft. It's very easy to use. I think all skin types can use this. I think if you've really sensitive skin though, it's something that's going to be a bit touch and go, as it is quite fragranced. And finally, the Moisturizing Balm. I don't really feel like I need to say much about this. You all saw how greasy this made my face. And this says that it regulates oil, it tailors to your unique skin type. Bollocks. Bollocks. Absolutely not. No. I'm currently wearing a £6 moisturiser, which is from Garnier. I'll leave a link to the review in the description box, but my face looks nice, healthy, matte. There's no excess shine, and it stays like this throughout the day. The reason I'm saying Lumin should have created skincare routines based on skin type, because the products in the classic maintenance set, the skin types therefore are all over the place. I just don't understand how the combination of those 3 products are gonna work for everyone, and that's how this is kind of being marketed, like every man, this is good for you. Lumin, sorry, I'm not a fan. It's not something I'll be reaching for. I need to cancel my subscription so I don't get charged. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.